Look! The dump truck and the mixer truck are fixing a bridge.
Mixer truck.
The dump truck spreads the gravel and the mixer truck pours the concrete. Soon, the bridge surface is finished.
Amazing!
The mixer truck asks the dump truck to get the safety warning signs.
Okay.
Dump truck.
Get in the car and follow me. La 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 la.
The dump truck loads the signs and starts its trip.
Let's go!
On the way, the
Hey!
dump truck sees a kite flying in the sky. It happily chases the kite and completely forgets its job. The mixer truck waits and waits by the bridge. Just then, a pickup truck drives over.
No!
The mixer truck quickly tries to stop it, but the pickup truck does not notice. It drives onto the wet bridge and its wheels get stuck in the concrete.
Don't do that! Help me!
The mixer truck quickly calls for help.
Come here! Let's go! Okay.
The crane truck arrives and tries to lift the pickup truck up. But it is stuck too tightly in the concrete.
Oh no! Oh my god!
The mixer truck calls the drilling machine for help.
I got it! Okay.
The drilling machine uses its big drill to break the hardened concrete.
Okay.
Then, the crane truck lifts the pickup truck onto the tow truck and sends it to the repair shop.
Nice! Good job! Bye-bye!
The mixer truck fixes the bridge surface again and calls the dump truck.
Oh no!
The playful dump truck finally comes back.
What happened?
The mixer truck tells it, "Don't get distracted and play when you are working."
Come here!
The dump truck realizes its mistake and puts the safety warning signs in the right place.
Very nice!
Now, the bridge area is safe again. Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye, see you next time.